How to make a boomerang on Instagram using camera roll. First of all, open your application Instagram and make sure you are logged into your account. Swipe right and head over to your story section. Right here you'll get to see the option of boomerang. Tap on it. Now head over to your gallery at the bottom left corner. Choose the video that you want to make boomerang. Now tap on this three dot at the top right corner. So right here you should see the option of boomerang. But if you don't have that option, it means that you have latest version of Instagram on your device. And currently Instagram has removed the boomerang feature from here. So in order to make a boomerang, what you actually need to do is go back and head over to your Play Store or an App Store. In the search bar, search for boomerang. Right here you'll get to find the tons of boomerang application. You can move ahead and download any of the application from here. And once you install the application, you can go ahead and make a video from your camera roll to boomerang, and you'll be good to go. So this is the only way to make boomerang using the camera roll. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.